which I realized I actually forgot to import voice, and so in addition to that, I'm gonna redo that tutorial. So once again, we are in SketchUp here with a new file, and we're going to draw a box, just a very simple box, and then apply texture. Well, apply texture onto it. Okay, so a very simple box with some textures. Let's draw one more. Okay, and then I'm going to export this stuff into a DAE file on my desktop. So okay, export this. Alright, and then this file is what I just exported, the model and the texture. And I'm going to open up a new Unity file. So Unity, there's a new scene, save as, and stuff like that. Scene is actually like an angle in your model, so it's not a new model. So actually what we need to do is open a new project in Unity. Let's call it today's date, and then so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we create project, we save that. So create a new Unity project. Unity project only have one instance at the same time, so it actually close your previous Unity project and then open a new one. That's what I think lah, at least. So let's wait for Unity to fire up. Alright, once you fire up Unity, just check the assets that you exported just now into Unity. So the model with the texture and drawing inside. So you get this, which is here. And Unity, you can, there's game component, Fusoria engine, and then import AR camera. Yeah. So import some file assets into the access folder. There you see, there's a file. And then there's an AR camera right here. We'll delete the main camera that was there. So you only have this AR camera. And then we should also go to the, I think it's project setting. And then under XR setting, on the virtual support. Okay. So your camera is here. Next step, we're going to put in the marker for sorry image. So import that. So we got an image here, and then it's actually right here. Yeah, so that's the image. And then on the right, this image, we have add target here, and then we bring it to the website. So with me now, there is I have a SIM card on my table that looks like this. So it can be any image that you use. So later, because when I open my phone, it will detect my SIM card image, and then I can use that to sort of show you guys how the augmented reality works. So for now, after you go in here, log into your account or register your account. So let me log into my account. And then I will set like a get development key. Okay, so that's my database actually. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Okay, I will delete that later. So get development key. That development key means that it's like a data or stuff like that. So AR demo, or let's call it AR demo 123, because I think I have an AR demo previously. Yep, this, then go into here. So this is actually a cloud data. The license key, copy the license key, go back to Unity, and in Unity under AR camera, open first out virtual real engine configuration, and then paste this add license right here. Yeah, add this license. Okay, no webcam. Yeah, doesn't have a webcam with me. Okay, go back to add database. Check database is actually this thing lah. Yeah, and then I go to, you see why this not showing. Yeah, I have this. So under here there's a target manager, and I'm going to add a database target. So add database is SIM card. Click device, create, and then under here you can add target, which it can be a single image, different type of object that sort of become the object that you identify in your camera. So we're going to use on the desktop this SIM card right here, which is actually this stuff right here, this SIM card, right? And then width is 0.5. So this one is the model unit lah, so you can put 1 lah. Let's do it 1. And then this the WeChat image called SIM card. Okay, add in. The naming doesn't matter lah, you can do whatever name you want. Then it's here, and then click, okay, this target here, click on this. Is it uploading or what? What happened? Let's see. So in the SIM card you can see it actually have identified some points that they used to anchor the project lah. So go back to SIM card, click on the SIM card data, download database to Unity editor. So download that, and then open it up. Open that up, and I will import into Unity. So import that into Unity. So now with this, you should be able to, this image, you should be able to access the SIM card data, which is what we uploaded just now. So this is the marker, which is this image. So with the marker done, now what we need to do is to create an empty object under the marker and put in what we have the model into the empty object. Then scale the object so that it sort of fits with. Okay, cool. So this is the processes of setting up the scene. So what it happened is that you have your SketchUp model import into Unity. You have your Vasari with Floria engine set up your camera, the AR camera, which will become your phone camera in the end. And then you have your image, target image in the model, and the references model under the target images. So basically the modeling part is done for now. Now it's exporting. So build setting up and then you can use Android if you want to Android switch platform. Yep. Let me open up my Android. Okay, let me open up my Android. Exporting, and then go to player setting. Under player setting, there's an exhaust setting, so also open this. And then on the other setting, there's a company name and product name. Just don't put any number, just put your company name or so. Okay, and then there's icon here which you can use to select, like that will be your, I think that will be your app icon, company name, product name. Alright, the other one I think you don't care about it first for now. Let's okay, yeah, that's one important step I forgot. Add open scene. So here you should have save as. This is actually scenes are saved as scenes. So scene is like so you get open scene. Scene like your camera scene lah. Okay, so you are ready to build now. Build. Alright. So meanwhile it's exporting, I think. It's exporting. Okay. And I'm gonna send myself the APK file. It should also take a while. Shucks. Actually, I think it's quite irritating when it goes over there. Okay, so send myself the APK file. Now let me link my phone with Android so you can see my phone at the same time. Start moving. Oh, sending quite fast. So that's my phone downloading the file. Downloading the file. Sync. Have I installed? No, do not there. Alright, let me mirror this again. So that's my phone. Then install the APK just now. Shucks. Install. Right. Allow. Continue. Install. Okay. We'll go to here. This is the stuff. Yeah, thanks so much. That's all for today.